This is McKELVY Farms 2019 corn harvest. Today is September the 4th, and they're harvesting a field of corn located in Faceville, Georgia, which is just south of Bainbridge, Georgia. They're harvesting with a John Deere S680 with a 894 8-row wide corn head. This is a new combine to them. They had a 9750 up until June of this year. They lost that combine in a fire while harvesting some oats. And this is their replacement combine. I believe they got it out of Illinois somewhere. Questions about why most of the, I ain't gonna say most, but a lot of the farmers in this area still plant wide row corn when it's been proven through lots of trials that the narrow 30-inch rows yield better than the wide rows. In our area, corn is really the only crop that hardly anybody grows on 30-inch rows. All of our other crops, peanuts and cotton, are grown on either 36 or 38-inch rows. And it's not worth the hassle for the farmer to have equipment set up on 30 inches, tractors set up on 30-inch rows, when all the rest of the stuff is set up on 38. It just takes a one piece of equipment. It means they can't use it but for one job, and that's it. So they plant on the 36 and 38-inch rows of corn. And yeah, they do lose a little bit of yield, but not much. This corn is yielding right around 200 bushels an acre. And I know for irrigated corn it doesn't sound like much, but for 1 week the irrigation system here was down and they could not use it. Man, that was probably one of the most important weeks that they needed to irrigate. They rent this field and they had lots of piping issues underground when they started trying to run the pivot, blowing up pipes. And that hurt them. This field probably would have went 225, 230 if they would have got water on it during that week. It rolled pretty bad. This corn is pretty dry from yesterday riding in the combine a little bit. It's probably around 14% moisture coming out of the field. This field's had some spots that I seen on the yield monitor that it was 230 bushels per acre. But it's also seen some spots that was down in the 150s too.